It's time for my weekly meal prep again, so let's meal prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. Today we are making 1 pan blueberry baked oats for breakfast, a Greek-style salad for lunch, brownie energy bites for snack, and a chicken pesto pizza for dinner. But first, let's go to the grocery store to get some ingredients. First, I'm meal prepping breakfast. I'm making 1 pan blueberry baked oats that taste just like blueberry pie. First, I'm mashing 4 bananas. Then I'm adding 4 eggs and 3 cups of oats. Then I'm adding 1 cup of almond milk, but you could use any milk you like. And 3 cups of lactose-free low-fat Greek yogurt. I'm using low-fat yogurt because it's high in protein. Then I add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of cardamom. And then I just stir until everything is combined. And lastly, I'm adding 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries. I'm using wild blueberries, hence the purple color. Then I bake them at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. I let them cool down for about 15 minutes and then I cut them into pieces. You can reheat this in the morning before serving, or you can also eat it cold. It's such a yummy breakfast idea. For lunch, I'm making a Greek-style quinoa salad, so I'm meal prepping roasted chickpeas and quinoa. So first, I'm mixing chickpeas, olive oil, salt and pepper, paprika spice, and chili powder together. Then I spread them on a baking pan lined with parchment paper and roast in the oven at 220 Celsius degrees, 430 in Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until crispy. Meanwhile, I'm cooking some quinoa. I like use quinoa instead of rice because quinoa is really high in fiber and it also has some protein. Then I mix the ingredients for the dressing together, so I'm adding some olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and some oregano. For this salad, I like to prep just the roasted chickpeas, the quinoa, and the dressing, and not the whole salad, because often if I'm prepping the whole salad, the veggies can get really soggy in the fridge, so I'm adding just before serving some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, Kalamata olives, and feta. This salad is really simple, but it's super tasty. For a snack, I'm prepping brownie energy bites. So I'm just mixing together some unsweetened peanut butter, but you could use any other nut butter you like, or sunflower seed butter if you're allergic to nuts. Then I'm also adding some maple syrup, oats, cacao powder, and a little bit of milk. Then I just roll the mixture into balls. These are one of my go-to snacks because they're so quick and easy to make, so you don't even need to bake them. For dinner, I'm prepping sheet pan chicken pesto pizza. I had marinated 6 chicken breasts in a mixture of garlic-infused olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, oregano, and some chili powder. Then I baked them at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Then, the easiest way to make shredded chicken is to use a mixer. You'll have ready shredded chicken in 30 seconds. Then I made my own gluten-free pizza dough. The recipe is in the description, but you could of course use a ready dough from the grocery store. Then I topped the dough with some tomato sauce and a generous amount of pesto. Then I added the shredded chicken, some shredded cheese, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Then I bake the pizza at 220 Celsius degrees 430 in Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. I let it cool down for about 10 minutes and then I cut it into pieces. I like to serve this pizza with some arugula. It's a perfect addition to it. This pizza is my new favorite meal prep recipe. It is so delicious. And here are all the ready meals. Those were all the meals I meal prepped today, and as always, the written recipes are in the description box. Be sure to have your notifications on so you won't miss any of my new meal prep videos. Hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!